Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And today I am going to talk about 28 type of punishment which are mentioned in Garuda Puran. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Garuda Puran. This is Garuda Puran and this is most authentic source and this is the best translation version of Garuda Puran in English. And I would have to say we all have to read Garuda Puran throughout life because we can learn many things from Garuda Puran. And people would have a misconception about Garuda Puran that we all have to read Garuda Puran at the time of the death of the beloved person. But it's not true. We all have to read Garuda Puran throughout our life because we can learn many things from Garuda Puran. So this punishment, which name is वैतरणी is a river of filth. जो मतलब पूरा गंदगी से भरी हुई रिवर है, उसको उस पर्सन को फेंका जाता है उस रिवर में. सो वैतरणी रिवर, rulers who abuse their power, like our honorable prime minister and other people who abuse their power, misuse their power, and also adulterers are thrown there. Means the people who actually misuse their power, and the person who is adultery, the person who has cheated his wife, and the wife who has cheated her husband, these people are only thrown in the particular Vaitarni river. In the most terrible place of the punishment, it is a river which is filled with a human excreta, blood, hair, and also bones, nails, flesh, and all kind of the dirty substances. The river which filled with the all kind of dirty substances. जो व्यक्ति अपना पावर का मिसयूज करता है, जो राजा होता है अपने पावर का मिसयूज करता है, जो प्रधानमंत्री होता है जो अपने पावर का मिसयूज करते हैं, जो होम मिनिस्टर होते हैं जो अपने पावर का मिसयूज करते हैं, दूसरों को डराते हैं, और जो व्यक्ति एडल्ट्री होता है, जो व्यक्ति अपने वाइफ को चीट करता है, अपने वाइफ को धोखा देता है, जो वाइफ अपने हस्बैंड को धोखा देती है, उसको चीट करती है, ऐसे व्यक्ति को इस रिवर में फेंका जाता है. जो रिवर टेरिबल प्लेस है. और रिवर के अंदर क्या क्या होता है? रिवर के अंदर हड्डियां होती है, नेल होते हैं, फ्लेसेस होते हैं, ब्लड होता है, ऑल काइंड ऑफ टेरिबल substances are there, dirty substances are there, and there are various kind of the terrible beast as well. वहाँ पे बहुत प्रकार के फियर जानवर भी होते हैं. And those who cast into it are attacked and mauled by these creatures from all the sides. तो उनके अंदर जो अलग अलग प्रकार के क्रिएचर होते हैं जो इस व्यक्ति को अटैक करते हैं. एंड द सिनर्स हैव टू स्पेंड द टर्म्स ऑफ देयर पनिशमेंट एंड फीडिंग ऑफ द कंटेंट ऑफ द रिवर. जो व्यक्ति अननेचुरल सेक्स करता है, एडल्ट्री करता है, जो अपना स्पर्म होता है, जो मतलब अपनी वाइफ को पिलाता है, जो मतलब इज समथिंग लाइक इज ऑल काइंड ऑफ अननेचुरल सेक्स. तो इस प्रकार की पनिशमेंट इस व्यक्ति को दी जाती है. So this punishment is mentioned in Garuda Purana, Vaitarni river, the river of the fleshes, the river of the all kind of river with all kind of dirty substances. So the particular person thrown into particular river, and also all kind of very beast creatures are there, and these all creatures attacked on the particular sinners. So the moral of this particular person, this particular punishment is, we don't have to misuse our power, we don't have to suppress other people, we just have to use our power in order to empower other in the welfare of the other people. And we don't have to cheat our wife, we don't have to cheat our spouse, we don't have to keep any kind of adultery relation with anyone, otherwise get ready for this kind of punishment. So I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.